Hello everyone, I am very happy to meet you all in another dot mandala making video. Here is a 12-inch MDF board. I already found the center, drew circles and created grids as well. Here are the colors that I am going to use. This is brown and I have mixed the brown with white and made it as light brown and teal blue. I will start with dotting in the center in teal blue. Now in the next circle I will dot with light brown. Now I will keep tiny dots. In the next circle I am going to dot with brown. Now I will keep tiny dots. Now I will keep teal blue dots on all these lines. I will keep a brown dot towards this circle line. Now I will keep a light brown dot in between. Now I will walk the dots first layer using light brown. I will walk the dots second layer using brown. Now I will keep teal blue dots here. On all these lines I am going to keep brown dots. I will keep a teal blue dot here. I will keep a light brown dot here. Now I will walk the dot first layer using light brown. Now I will walk the dot second layer using teal blue. I will keep a straight swipe using teal blue. Now I will keep two side swipes using light brown. I will keep a brown dot on all the lines and one in between. Now I will keep teal blue dots towards the edge of the MDF board. Now I will keep a light brown dot in between. Now I will walk the dot first layer in light brown and second layer in teal blue. Now second layer of walking the dots using teal blue. I'll keep a straight swipe in teal blue. Now I'll keep two side swipes in light brown. I think that will finish this dot mandala. I'm sure all of you like this mandala as much as I liked creating it. Thank you for watching.